One thing I was surprised about last year was how well even the inexpensive phones performed when
Now
put
I'll click on
head-to-head
the
with
home
premium
button and
phones.
check
The
if this trick
performance
is
margin
working or
between
not.
premium handsets and budget phones is getting smaller, and I think that's a good thing.
Voila!
The less money you
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to play a YouTube video in the background. If you want to play any YouTube video in the background, you just cannot do that. Let me show it practically by opening the YouTube application. Let me click on any random video. Now I'm gonna press the home button and check if this video gets minimized and plays in the background or not. Oops, the video has vanished. If we want to play any YouTube video in the background, that means we need to keep the application opened. Only then we will be able to play the video. But with a simple trick, I'll show you how to play a YouTube video even after closing the application. For that, you need to download an additional app from the Play Store. Open your Play Store from the App Store. Here is the Play Store. In the search option, type it as Snap VPN. Since I already installed this app in my phone, there is no option to install. Let me open it. Before that, I'll tell you what is VPN. VPN is nothing but a virtual private network. It acts like a server between the sender and the receiver. With the help of VPN, your ISP or hackers or government doesn't know which website you have visited. Now let's open it. This is the home screen. This is the home screen of Snap VPN. In the bottom you see an option called location. Click on it and then click on free. In the free menu, click on United States. It's connecting to United States server. Well, it's connected. Let me close this ad. The reason why I connected to United States is that this feature is already available in US but not yet in India. Now let us open the YouTube application again. Before that, remove it from the recent applications. Now open it again. Now let us click on any random video.
One thing I was surprised about last year was how well even the inexpensive phones performed when
Now
put
I'll click on
head-to-head
the home
with
button
premium phones.
and check
The
if this trick
performance
is
margin
working or
between
not.
premium handsets and budget phones is getting smaller, and I think that's a good thing.
Voila!
The less money you
The video got minimized and it is playing in the background. Now I can multitask. Let me open other applications too.
which is 7% the cost of the latest $1,000
Twitter.
flagships, while still accomplishing all the basics. We're here
Yes,
for
it's
your
working.
approval, so let's commence with the scratch test. Like always, I have a scale of 3, like we would normally see
With
on
the help of
classic.
this small trick,
Look
you
here
will
on the
be able
scratch
to
tab of
play a
6,
YouTube
the
video in the
example
background.
7, because there's
You
no
can move
raised
this
edges to
mini
protect the
video to
lens.
anywhere on
The
the
plastic
screen.
will rest flat on whatever surface it's set on, making it
If
super
you want to
vulnerable
close
to
this video,
scratches. The
click
inlay
on
OPU
into mark.
lettering
If
is
you
kind
want
of
to
like infinite
maximize it,
metallic foil,
click on
pretty
it.
easy to remove, definitely more
There you
easy
go.
than the Tesla keycard I tore down a few days ago. This
Back
means the
again.
letters will probably fall out on their own with
I
normal
hope you have
use
liked
as
this
the phone
video.
gets older.
If you have
One
any
thing we
queries
sometimes
regarding this
forget with
trick,
smartphones is
please
that they
mention
aren't
it in
just
the
social
comment
media
section.
or networking devices.
Please
They're
like and
useful
subscribe to
tools.
my channel.
Bill and Melinda
Thank you.
Gates
Bye
wrote a
bye.
letter to